welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to sell your altcoins on Trust Wallet and withdraw right to your bank account. There is a couple steps that you guys have to do, but I'll show you guys step by step what to do. And I'll just like to let you guys know as well, I do have lots of cryptocurrency tutorials coming out on my channel on a daily basis. So if you guys are interested in cryptocurrency, I'd really recommend subscribing to the channel. Anyways, just follow along and I'll show you guys exactly how to sell your coins and withdraw to your bank account. So the first step that you guys want to do is you guys want to go over to your Trust Wallet. And you're going to want to decide what you're going to sell. So let's just say if I was going to sell like SafeMoon, I can go ahead over to PancakeSwap by going to browser on the bottom and then over to PancakeSwap. And obviously your wallet should already be connected, but if it's not, just go ahead and connect it in the top. What you guys want to do now is you guys want to go from the From section here and click on what coin you want to sell. So let's just say if I want to sell SafeMoon, I can go ahead and type in SafeMoon. Once SafeMoon's here, you can go ahead and click I understand and then continue. And then what we're going to do here is to the to currency, we're going to go ahead and select BNB. Once we've done that, we can go ahead and type in the amount of SafeMoon that we want to sell. So let's just say if I wanted to sell 10,000, I can go ahead and put 10,000. So then going to show me how much BNB I'm getting in exchange for it. Now for SafeMoon specifically, obviously we have to change the slippage tolerance, but any coin you're selling, you'd have to change the slippage tolerance depending on the coin. But for SafeMoon, it's going to be 12%. So I'll just change it for 12% for the example. But like I said, depending on what coin you're selling, it's going to be different for you. So let's just go ahead and put that there. Once we're done that and you're happy with the exchange, you can go ahead and click on where it says insufficient SafeMoon balance for me. You're going to go ahead and click on that, and then it's going to show you a broken down version of your transaction, showing you your fees and things like that that you will get in exchange. If you're okay with it, you can go ahead and click on confirm. Once you're done that, you can go ahead and exit out of here, and we want to go back over to our wallet. Now, once you're back in your wallet, it's going to give you Smart Chain, not BNB. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over to our Smart Chain wallet where our balance will be. Once you click on Smart Chain, you want to go to More, and then you want to click on Swap to Binance Chain. Once you guys do that, it's going to pop this open here, and you're going to want to put all of the Smart Chain that you want to transfer over into BNB, so we're able to transfer it over into Binance and withdraw it into our bank account. So if you just type in the amount here and click on Swap, it will then move over to the BNB wallet. Once you have it in your BNB wallet, we can go back over to the BNB wallet and just confirm that it's there. So what we're going to do now is we're going to head over to Binance, and then we're going to put the BNB into the Binance account. And once you guys are on Binance here, we're just going to head over to our wallets. And once we're in our wallets, we're going to go ahead and find BNB in our wallet. So I'm just going to search BNB here. And once you find BNB here, you want to click on BNB, then click on deposit. So then going to give us an address here. So we're going to make sure we are on the BEP2 network. So just like I am right here. And we're going to go ahead and copy this address. And what we're going to do now is we're going to head back over to our Trust Wallet, open that up, and then we're going to go over to our BNB, and then click on Send. And you're going to put that address that we got from Binance in the recipient address amount. So we just click on Paste. And then you want to put the amount of BNB that you want to transfer over into your Binance account to withdraw into your bank account. So I'll just go ahead and type that in here. So let's just say, for example, it was 150. I can go ahead and type in 150 and then click on Done. And then you want to click on Next. And then it's going to tell you here confirmation. So you just want to make sure you're okay with everything you see here and the network fee and things like that. And then you want to go ahead and click on confirm. Mine just says top up because I don't have any BNB in here right now, but you can go ahead and click on confirm here for yourself. And then it will take a couple minutes to transfer over into your Binance account. So just give that a couple minutes. And once your BNB is in your Binance account here, we want to head over to trade. And once we're on trade here, we're going to go ahead and click on the trading pairs in the top left corner. And you're just going to want to search for BNB here. And we're going to want to find the one that says BNB/USDT. You could also do BUSD2 if you would like to, doesn't really matter. But we're just going to go over to USDT, and then we're going to type in the amount of BNB that we want to sell. So first things first, we want to make sure it's on the sell order. So you see where it says buy and it's green, you want to switch it over to sell. And then you want to type in the amount of BNB that you want to sell into your USDT. So let's just say, for example, we have 10 BNB that I want to sell. I can go ahead and type in 10, click on sell BNB, and then you will receive your USDT into your wallet. Once you've done that, we can exit out of here and head over to our wallets and just confirm that the USDT is here. And once you guys see your USDT here, you want to go ahead and click on transfer up the top of your spot wallet here. Once you click on transfer, you want to make sure it's going from your spot to your P2P wallet. So as you see at the top here, it says from spot to P2P wallet. So what you want to do here is you want to switch where it says Bitcoin here to USDT. Just go ahead and type in USDT here, or you can just click on the top search here. And once you have that there, you can decide how much USDT that you want to transfer over into your spot wallet. So let's just say to your P2P wallet, sorry. So let's just say, for example, I wanted to do 100 USDT. I can go ahead and type in 100 and then click on confirm transfer. It's going to tell you that you have successfully transferred your assets to your P2P wallet. So we can go ahead and cancel that. And And then what we want to do now is we want to head over to the P2P tab at the top of our screen. Once we do that, we can go ahead and click on sell. And then once we click on sell, it's going to show us all the sellers that we could use to get our USDT into our native currency. So in my case, it's going to be Canadian. So what you guys want to do now is you want to scroll through here and just see where it says limit. So there's a couple different limits that people have on here. So you want to make sure that your sell order is within those limits. So you just have to decide which one you want to use. And also it shows you the payment methods. So in my country here of Canada, TD Bank is a bank here, as well as PayPal we can use as well. So you guys want to make sure that one, your limit is within those limits, and one of the payment methods that they're offering you have access to, whether that's a bank account. Some of them are e-transfer as well, cash deposit to bank, bank transfer, Interact e-transfer. So you guys see there's tons of different options that you guys can use. Now the one I use most often is Interact e-transfer. It's just more easy for me, but you guys can decide what you want to do there. But let's just say, for example, we're going to use Interact e-transfer here, and then you see the limit is $100 to $2,000. So we can go ahead and click on this one right here, and just want to click on sell beside that. Once we click on sell here, it's going to ask us the quantity and then the payment method. So for example, I took out 100 USDT and I put that into my P2P wallet. So I can go ahead and click on all beside the 100 USDT. That's going to show me select a payment method here. So you're just going to go ahead and click on select a payment method. And I'm going to have to add a new payment method. So you just go and click on add a new payment method. If you're looking to do Interact e-transfer as a deposit method, you can go ahead and click on all payment methods. And you just want to type in Interact e-transfer here. Once you type in Interact e-transfer, you're going to want to go in and put your email address that you want to receive the transfer to. So you just go ahead and type that in. Once you guys have put your email, you can go ahead and click on confirm. And that's going to ask for your authentication code. So I'm just going to go ahead and get my authentication code. And once you guys have your payment method selected in, you can go ahead and click on select a payment method again, and then it will show your payment method, so you can go ahead and click on it. Once you guys have that in here, you can go ahead and click on sell USDT. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on sell USDT. And it's just going to tell me here that it is pending payment. So we're just going to give this a couple minutes here. It says it's expected to receive payment in 2 minutes. So we're just going to give it a couple minutes here, and then I'll show you guys what to do next and the confirmation and stuff like that. And just to show you guys that everything went through, you see the e-transfer there is at the top. And then, yeah, so I got my e-transfer. It took about 5 to 10 minutes to transfer from the USDT into my bank account. But yeah, it works really, really great. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to sell your crypto from Trust Wallet and get into BNB and stuff all the way into your bank account relatively quickly. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.